the folder. Now here we have informant name. This is informant. What is informant name? Dollar Chechen. And the length we have 1 because we have 0 and 1, F and N. The length is only 1. Number of values we have 0 and 1, 2 values 2. Minimum length 1, maximum length default 40, default length 1, fuzzing values, no decimal values, fuzzing value 0. And start to end and in value. So if the start value and end value is 0, I want to have in value F. If it is 1, I want to have it capital A. So we have in value version B7V8 and we have created today 22nd May 2023. 8 o'clock 48 minutes 17 seconds. So whenever you create a user-defined format or informant, that information automatically in the work library and a separate folder called catalogs folder. And what the folder name we are getting? The folder we are getting in formats. Formats is a catalog folder. This we get created. Now if I use the program, yes, we got a user-defined informant. Now I want to apply this user-defined informant in the program. So to apply the user-defined informant, we can apply it to different locations. One is directly in the input section of the variable name, or you can have separate information. And by the way, first of all, I want to apply the informant for salary. And what informant I should write? Comma 6. And for data, what informant you want to write? AD and then YY. In the same way, for sex also I want to apply. So I created informant. I'm writing dollar end dot. So select the program, execute it. You will have a DS1 data set. Now, I should write name dollar symbol because it contains cash data. Data, but there is element issues. I'm going to specify element symbol. Now I will get the data. Still I'm not getting it. Why salary? For salary also I'm using element symbol. Now we got the data. Can you see how we have the sex values? If you have 0 and 1, we have F and M. Understand this one? So, to read the data, non-standard data into SAS as a standard data, we use informant. But sometimes, whatever the informant that you require, that may not be present. If that is not present, we should create our own informant. To create our own informant, what we are using a procedure called raw format. Now, I want to create a data set called class 1. And I'm creating this data set from the SAS class. Do you know what information that we have in the SAS class? Anybody? We have 5 variables. And in observations, do you know how we have 6 values in SAS class? If I execute this program, I'm going to have a class 1 data set. In the class 1 data set, we have a name, sex, age, height, and weight. Now, in the sex level, we have a capital F and capital M. Now, when we have a capital F, I want to display address female. When we have a capital M, I want to display address male. How we can do that?
Format.
Only format? No, so block format. Only block format. And you have to define the make.
User-defined format we have to create.
Do you have any other alternative? What is that? Renaming of values or by if then statement what is very good. We can use if then statement. Now I want to use if then statement. Now how do you use if then statement? If sex is equal to capital F and sex is equal to else if the sex is equal to length statement also we should write before we should length because already sex will length ఉంటుంది one ఉంటుంది one ఉంది అనుకోండి మీరు ఫిమేల్ ని రాస్తే కంప్లీట్ కాదు కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు నేను వేరే సెట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ for the set statement. Now I'm writing the length statement for sex variable, dollar symbol, then I'm writing any 10 dot of the company. Now since we have enough length, now it is going to print it is going to print M as a male and F as a female. Okay? But once you have money data class to create అనుకోండి మళ్ళీ నాకు సేమ్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఉంది అనుకోండి మళ్ళీ ఏం చేయాలి నేను again if sex is equal to F, then sex is equal to female, if sex is equal to M, then sex is equal to M and male. That's the problem with this statement. Whenever I want to have that requirement, every time you should write. There are 2 conditions here, not a problem in writing. F is equal to female and M is equal to male and that's the Just imagine I have 10 conditions. Every time writing all the 10 conditions will take some time. So, do you have any other alternative? Yes, we have an alternative. We should apply a format. But unfortunately, to display F as a female and M as a male, we do not have such format available. But the format later from the ancient create our own format. And that is called grading. What do you call it? How do you create a unified format? By using a process. But what is the statement you should use?
Value statement.
Now I'm creating a format to apply for a sex variable. Sex is a character variable, dollar symbol. It can any user defined name, I'm writing a defined name as a sex only. Now if the data contains capital F is equal to how I want display? Female. And if the data contains capital M, how I want display that name, name. Both are capital data. I should write it in the quotations. Now finally put the semicolon. Now enter the statement. Now we have a user-defined format. I want to apply this format in the program. Now see, when creating a class 2, I am writing a format for which variable I want to apply. Sex variable. What is the format I created? Dollar. Select the program, input the program. We are going to have it. So, can you see how the sex values are displaying now? F as a female and M as a male. So, To create a user-defined format, what the procedure I'm using? So if you want to create a user-defined format, what was the procedure I was using? Proc format. After reading. In today's class, we are going to discuss about proc format. What is the purpose of proc format? Can you use it?
To create information format.
User-defined information format. It is useful to create user-defined information format. It is useful to create user-defined information format. Not only that one, proc format is useful. Okay? To create a data set, catalogs, and it is also useful to print contents of a catalog. Tell me honestly, what is the difference between information format? Information is to read the data to the source.
Format is used to represent the output data system.
Temporary type use information. Very good answer.
And that's the data.
When we use generally, why we should use for instant data data? Choose like you guys are right. Good. Now tell me, when we require information actually? You know, when we have only instant data or textual data. So here, what is this? Is it instant data or textual data? Instant data. Instant data. No. When we have instant data, SAS cannot understand. I should help the data. I should help the SAS to read the data. Okay. So for example, what is going to happen if I didn't use $gen here? In $gen use what you want to SAS segments allows time. You know. I can use only dollar symbol. Only dollar symbol use the emotional segments allow print out the color SAS of the zero. Remember. If information also when we have a data or when we have a textual data. There is a chance we should read this data into SAS. If we do data and textual data, first data can be called tomorrow. SAS will be called. Remember I told you when we have a instant data or textual data in the backend process, first I told you syntax error check చేస్తుంది. తర్వాత tokenization చేస్తుంది. ఆ తర్వాత next ఏం చెప్పారంటే we are going to have a compilation phase. Compilation phase first ఏం చేస్తుంది గుర్తుందండి? Input క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది. సో డేటా ఫస్ట్ ఏమంటే ఇన్పుట్ బఫర్ ఒకటి రీడ్ అవ్వాలి. And the data is reading from the raw data into the input buffer. Here to read the data into SAS. Okay? To read the data into SAS, what we are using now? Here we are using information. The input buffer is next data is nothing. Again, nothing. Normal description. Description is the metadata save అవుతున్నాను. ఆ తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ పీరియడ్ ఉంటుంది. సో పీరియడ్ నుంచి అంటే ఇన్పుట్ బఫర్ దగ్గర నుంచి డేటా ఎక్కడికి వస్తానికి పీరియడ్ ఇన్పుట్. మరి పీరియడ్ దగ్గర నెక్స్ట్ డేటా ఉంటుంది ఇప్పుడు బయట గ్యాస్ అయిపోతుంది. Now, if you apply the format, where the format will get applied? Here. Write the data into output data set. Here the format will get applied. So, informat is to read the data into SAS. Format is to write the data from the PDB into output data set. You know, when you go out in the morning and you roam around the city and you came back to the home, you came back to your house like, you're so dirty. So since you're so dirty, when you're entering into your home, what do you do? You're going to clean yourself, right? In fact, cleaning yourself when you're entering into your house is called informat. Now, you're going to be very neat and very clean and you're going to be original in your house. Okay? Don't think otherwise. I want to help you to understand here what is information format. That's why I'm taking this example. Now you're going to be original at your home. And then you want to go to a function, and then whenever you want to go to the function, what do you do? You put some nice markup, and you put close, and then you go out. And whatever that markup, the close that you're wearing, and that is format. telling, whatever the matter that is we are playing or a cross that we are reading, that is temporary. Only for temporary skills. You want to be very formal, so you are formal wear. You are going for just a party, and you will get a party wear. And you are going for some traditional function, you will get a traditional wear. In whichever dress material that you are in, you will appear in that way. So that is just like a matter. A format is just a temporary display. So in the PDB, in the backend, we should be very versatile. The actual data. But when you're appearing outside, when you go outside, output data status, whatever the format you're applying, and that is equal to what? That matter. So whatever the dirty data that we have, unclean, raw data that we have, to read the data into SAS, to clean the dirtiness, what we are using now, we are using informat. The user format now, in the SAS, the data will be saved in the version form. It is how it is going to get stored in PDB. That's how we are at home. And then again, if you want to go for certain occasion, we are going to wear, according to that, we are going to wear some party wear or ethnic wear, whatever it might be, and that is just like a format. Okay. Currently, the 5,000 data which is in the group, this is dirty data. To read this data, how we should save the data in SAS? Use standard 5,000. To read the data into standard 5,000, remember what was we have done? We applied informat. Just like when you are dirty, you need to use some shampoo or some soap to become able to be clean. And what is that? Remember how we use it? We use it carbon fiber. Now, in the PDB, now the 5,300 is staying, showing it as 5,000. Now, I want display again 5,300. We cannot display on the Indian certificate. Again, we are going to use comma spider. What is it? This is the format. Now, comma into dollar symbol dollar for Indian certificate. We are going to write spider. Comma dollar for Indian certificate. We are going to use dollar. There is a comma dollar to this one for dollar for Indian certificate. Now we are going to write dollar or something. All these are temporary. Just like how we have different party wear that we wear when we go out, the makeup that we wear. So all these are temporary display. But the pattern if we are the standard data we are. Understand this one? Did you understand the difference between informat and format? You know, when we have a raw data or textual data, manually you should add informat. Other Excel sheet or CSV file only, you don't need to do that one. SAS can automatically understand the dirty data, what you call non-standard data. It will read the data into SAS by using its own informats. Okay, నాకు డెట్టి డేటా కనుక చూడండి 601 ఉంది, నాకు క్లీన్ చేయడం అవసరం లేదు, నాకు ఇలాగే ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ కావాలనుకో, you only talk to informant. Because you're happy with saving this data as 106 values. In the scenario, you only talk to informant. Because you're happy to save it as in the backend 1 or 0. So that means you don't require informant all the time. But now people say, as long as 1 or 0 ఉంటారు, 1 ఉంటే కనుక ఫింగర్ కావాలి, 0 ఉంటే కనుక మళ్ళీ వేరే డిస్ప్లే కావాలనుకో, what you should apply? Format. You should apply format. Understand this for everybody? Yes, now, so whatever the information formats you want to apply, sometimes those information formats may not be available in SAS system. So to create such user-defined information format, we use a procedure called prop format. I tell you, format apply cheyinappudu, you only apply the format. We have alternate also. What is that? If you want by writing if condition also, you can do that one. But if condition use chesin daniki format difference entandi, you tell you remember here I use if condition. If you use if condition, the change will be permanent. And the value permanent change అయిపోతుంది. So if you require permanent change, we will go with this statement. If you do not require permanent change, all we need to have a temporary display. In such scenario, what we do? We create a user-defined format or any format and we apply that format. So the difference between if condition and the prop format is if condition makes change permanent and the prop format is only whatever the format that we are applying is a temporary display. Depends upon our requirement. If you want to have a permanent change, we will go with this statement. If you do not require permanent change, we will go with the format. But the problem with the if statement is every time we should write the same program again and again. When you have the same data again, we should write the same program again. But the advantage with the format is, once you have the format with you, whenever you want to, you can use it repetitively again and again. Understand this one? So because of that, because based on the requirement, either we go with if condition statement or we create a user-defined or if we create a format and we use that format. There's nothing wrong with if condition or format. It depends on our requirement only, we will do. But generally, in the real time, once we create a format, we use the same format whenever we require again and again. We don't create formats every time. One person in the team is going to create all the user-defined formats required for the project. He will get everything in one code and he will save everything in a folder. Now, the other team members, whenever they want to, they will access that folder, they will use it. So that we can save so much of time and they can energy. But you know, when I create a user-defined information format, where this information format is getting created? In a catalog folder called format. But if you have a web library, this is only useful for you and for this section only. But if everybody in the team wants to use, or maybe you want to use across the session, in the next session, maybe tomorrow or maybe next month, where should we have all these user-defined information formats? Or if we have a complaint library, We'll see later how to create all these user-defined information formats. But later, but before that, we'll try to create few user-defined formats. Could you able to follow everybody? Now, again, I'm creating a data set called class 3. While I'm creating this, do you know how the sector values in the Samsung class? Anybody? Is the function relation. We have 11 to 16. Okay, and I do not want display age 11, 12, 13. I want display 11, 12, 13 as a junior. 14, 15, 16 as a senior. మళ్ళీ మీకు రెండు చాయిసెస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా 11, 12, 13 జూనియర్ కావాలి 14, 15, 16 సీనియర్ కావాలనుకోండి మళ్ళీ మీరు టూ మెథడ్స్ ఫాలో you can write if condition or you can use a different format. You can use a format. If condition కొన్ని సింపుల్ గా రాస్తారు if age is 11, 12, 13 then age is equal to capital or junior or senior. But if condition not recommendable because if condition has a problem ఏంటంటే మళ్ళీ సేమ్ ఐటమ్ ఈ కండిషన్ రాసి ఉంటుంది. I do not require permanent change all I want to display. So what will we do? I will use a format. But unfortunately, we do not have such format. So what we should do? We should create our format. How to create a format? Wrong format. Value statement because information is described. Why should I not use like a how do you know this existing data? Set the data set. Set the data set on the document. Already that means already data is present in the PDF. Understand? We don't require format. If we format అవసరం ఉందండి ఇన్స్టెంట్ డేటా ఉన్నప్పుడు టెక్స్ట్ డేటా దట్టు కూడా ఇన్స్టెంట్ డేటా ఉన్నప్పుడు వాడే అవసరం లేదు మీ శాస్త్ర లోపల నాకు స్టోర్ కావాలనుకున్నప్పుడు ఇన్ఫర్మేట్ నాకు శాస్త్ర లోపల 0, 1 ఉన్నా పర్లేదు బయట చేసేటప్పుడు మీరు ఫింగర్ కనుక్కోండి ఇన్స్టెంట్ డేటా కానీ ఓన్లీ ఫార్మాట్ we can upload the format. Understand? So since we have a set statement, we should go with the only format. So that's why I'm making a value statement. Now this time, you do not require dollar symbol. You know why? Trying to apply by age variable. Age is a numerical variable, so you don't require dollar symbol. Now I want to have a user-defined format named category CND cat. Now, F and female and M and male. One value not a problem. F is equal to female, M is equal to male. Now we have 11 is equal to junior, so 12 is equal to junior, 13 is equal to junior. So for three values, the right side value is going to be the same. Now do we require to write every time? Range of values, how we can write it on the left side, we write the lowest value, P1, we should write on the right side the highest value. Now, so 30. 11 to 13 is equal to, how I want to have? I want to have the junior. Now, since junior is a capital data, we should write it within quotation. But if I write this one, tell me, what about if the age is 10? Age 10 ఏమవుతుంది? Junior వస్తుందా? What we are going to have? It is just as a 10 because we are not covering 10 as a junior. Junior is put it when we have age value. I am writing now in the same statement 14-16 is equal to I want to have that thing to see what and finally should it equal and then what if age is 17? How does 17 will be displayed? 17 because it is covering only 14 to 16. But now 13 కానీ ఎంత తక్కువ అనేది జూనియర్ వచ్చేసారు అంటే 0 ఉన్న జూనియర్ కావాలి 1 ఉన్న జూనియర్ కావాలి 2 ఉన్న జూనియర్ కావాలి అప్పుడు ఎంత అవుతుంది అప్పుడు 13 అవి జూనియర్ Less than equal to? What about that value should write? Okay, less than equal to 30 right side also. What about the left side guy? Okay, less than equal to antaru, but less than equal to 30 again same kada. Less than equal to 30 on the left side, you should write a value part low. Okay, low to 30 is equal to how I want to have? Okay, in low that it can be 0, it can be 1, 2, 3, it can be anything. Now 14 నాకు ఇప్పుడు 20 ఉన్న సీనియర్ కావాలి 25 ఉన్న సీనియర్ కావాలి 30 ఉన్న 99 ఉన్న సీనియర్ 100 ఉన్న సీనియర్ కావాలి అంటే 14 కనుక ఎంత ఎక్కువ ఉన్న సీనియర్ కావాలి now I should 14 I is equal to it is anything now. Okay, now I'm selecting this program equal the program. Now we are going to have a user defined format. What is the user defined format we created? I'm applying my program. What is the statement I should write now? Format statement. Which variable? Each variable. What are the format that we have? So for executing this program, now we are going to have user defined format. Select this program. Can you see? We have a data set called class 3. Can you see how we have the age values now? We have value name, junior and senior. Clear everybody? Now, if I execute the program, where this category will get applied, whatever the format I created, where it is getting applied? Where it getting applied for each variable. So that means in the age variable, how the data values will be displayed as an a. By the way, I do not want to have it in the same age variable. I want to have a new variable category. In that I want to have a junior and senior. నాకు ఏజ్ నాకు సెపరేట్ ఇస్తూ ఉంటాయి. నాకు కొత్తగా క్రియేట్ అవ్వాలి కేటగిరీలో జూనియర్ సీనియర్ కావాలి. హౌ టు క్రియేట్ న్యూ వేరియబుల్? If the age is if age less than or equal to 13, then category is equal to junior. If age greater than or equal to 14, then category is equal to senior. Again, by category if condition or say, if condition the problem level, we should write every time. But I do not want to do it every time. Now we can also use the category to create a new variable. Now for an so we can use the user-defined format to create a new variable. See what I'm doing now? I am creating a data class for set charge help data class. What is the new variable I want to create? Category is equal to, now I am using a function called put. Open the file. So ये variable description create करने के लिए comma. Do you know what the category, what the format we have created? Category. You know, we use the user-defined category now to create a new variable. See, if I put the program, we are going to have a class. Can you see what we have now? We have a new variable. So we can create a user-defined format to create a variable permanently. So by using a put or input function, new variable is equal to put. What the put function will do? It will convert the character data into numerical data into character data. Now which variable we want to convert that in that way? The age variable data. But how? By using a format called character. By the way, if age is 11 or 12, I want to have it as an end 13, 14, middle, 15, 16, current. Tell me how we can write that code. I want display 11, 12 as end, 13, 14, middle, 15, 16 as a current. Again, if you want to create a condition, or you can apply the format. Since we do not have such format, what we can do? We can write a new format, wrong format. Equivalent. How to create a format? You know what? We can write multiple formats in the same program. Okay. Already we have a name. In this procedure, we have one value statement. If you want to create one more format, we can write in the same procedure, we can write one value. I want to have format name age group. I'm creating this one for numerical variable, so you only write a dollar symbol. Then, if you want 11 to 12 is equal to how you want to have? I want to have that name 8. In the same statement, if the age is from 13 to 14, you know, I want display as an adult. If the age is for example from 15 to 16, I want to have that name. Sorry, this is I want to have the name. This one, I want to have that name. Outside the program, we are going to have one more user-defined format called age. I want to use this one while printing the sample class. You know how to print the data? Raw, print, data is equal to the data set name. Now, normally in execution per day, we are going to have 5 variables and 19 observations. Do you know how the age values will print? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, like that. By the way, I do not want to print in that way. I want to print in the middle or adult. So I am applying the format. So that what you can understand, we can write a format statement both in data set and we can also write prompts. Okay. Now in the format, for which variable I want to apply each variable, but the format I want to apply age to gr, each and equal. Now while printing this one, now this is how age values are printing. So we can apply the format statement both in data set and the prompts. You see how we have the height values? We have height value, the minimum value that we have 51.3. and the maximum value that we have is 72.0. You know, if it is less than 60, I want to have that short, 60 to 70 medium, more than 70 tall. Okay, 60 kind of the short and 60 to 70 the medium, 70 kind of the tall now. How we can do that? Again, I want to create a different format. In the same procedure, we can have one more format. Out of that format, I want to have this related to height, HD. What is my data? 60 kind of the very good. Low like
I think 60.
60 kind of 60 good. Less than 60. Low I for less than 60 is equal. How I want to have?
Sharp.
62 now. 62 to 70 is equal. How I want to have?
Medium.
72. How
High.
I want to have?
Tall.
Now I want to apply the same thing here. Now I am applying a format for age variable. I want to apply age group dot for height variable. What the format we have created? HT. Can you see how the height variable is splitting up? Then execute the program. How the age values will appear in an output print. Age values are print out like how young, and because that's the format we are applying. But the problem here is age values in middle and go. I don't print out what is my requirement? I want to print actual age, then I want to print whether the student is middle age, young age, or adult age. So that means what I want to do, I want to print the actual age value and the format also. Okay, very certain. What is the age? In particular code, I want to print the age also. So that means I want to print the data value and I want to print the format also. If you want to print the data value and the format, you know what? Whatever the format you created, that is not good enough. So now I want to create one more format. When you want to create a format, what is the procedure we should write now? Wrong format. Format is an age statement also, value. But here value statement is not enough. We are going to get a new statement called picture. So that means we want to have both the data value and the format also. So what we should write? We should do picture. I want to apply this for age group, age variable on creating my format and age only. Now, how should I write it? Now, if the data is from 11 to 12, is equal to, in the 11 to 12, they are given end. Now, along with the end, what I want to do, I want to print the age also. Now, 00 hyphen end. Each 0 represents 1 digit. If you want the 11 hyphen end, print out with 1 print out 12 hyphen end. Now, in the same way, now writing the next value, if the age is from, say, for example, 13 to 14 is equal to, again, what I am writing now, hyphen, I am writing middle. Here is 0 hyphen middle. Then if it is 15 to 16 is equal to, what should I write now, 0 hyphen, I want to have it as an adult, now I am writing. So I want to have a special character hyphen symbol between the age value and the age expression. Now select the program, execute the program. Now see what I'm going to do. I want to bring the SAS self class, not printer. Data is equal to, now I'm writing SAS self class. While I'm printing, I want to apply the format for age variable. What the format we created? Age dot semicolon. Can you see how the age values are printing out? Can you see? It is printing age value hyphen the format that we have set. Okay. Now the hyphen symbol, the symbol column every time you should write symbol here. Now it is going to print symbol. So if you want to have both the data values, and the format we should use is statement called picture. Also, yes. ఏమంటావు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ బ్యాలెన్స్ 12.5 14.5 ఉన్నాయి అనుకో అవి ఇందులో కవర్ కావు కదా 12.5 లో కవర్ అయిపోతుంది ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 12.5 ఉంది అనుకో అప్పుడు 14.5 16.5 చూసి creating a variable called class of data element label ఇప్పుడు can you see how we have age values we have y 90
Point to the potential.
I created a data set called class in అందులో label values పెట్టాను కావాలి ఏం చేసి పొజిషనల్ వాల్యూస్ యాడ్ చేశాను like 0.25 0.55 0.75 like that. Now what about the format I created now? I want to apply that format. మరి మీ ఫార్మాట్ అప్లై చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది సెక్షన్లో వర్కౌట్ అవుతుందా ఎందుకంటే 16 ఉన్నప్పుడు వాట్ ఇస్ సెక్షన్లో 16.7 అవుతుంది కదండి సారీ ఫస్ట్ రైట్ ఇక్కడ నేను 13 to 14 అయితే కనుక మిడిల్ అన్నాను 15 6 అయితే కనుక ఏమవుతుందండి మరి 14.5 14.5 వస్తుంది అప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయాలప్పుడు 14.5 అన్నా మిల్లి కావాలి 14.9 అన్నా మిల్లి కావాలి అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం 13 to లెస్ దాన్ 7 to
Less than 30.
15 to less than 60.
7.
Now it is good. నాకు అక్కడ this one సరిపోవట్లేదు ఏం చేద్దాం చెప్పండి ఇక్కడ still not that displaying right. I'm not sure about the instruments. Check. Yeah, now it is displaying the decimal sums. We'll continue the formula in tomorrow's class, okay? We'll continue tomorrow's class. See you tomorrow. Thank you. it's okay above it.
Ban.